Hi, this is Davidian Lyon, and we're about to go into a process whereby we will connect with ourselves in the multiverse. Stay tuned for a powerful experience. To begin, I'd like you to use your imagination for this next exercise. When you close your eyes, I'd like you to envision all of your past, future, and concurrent incarnations. By concurrent, I'd like you to bring to your awareness the various lives you lead in the multiverse. Every time you make a decision, a parallel universe is birthed in which you did something else, something different, and not just you, but your reality diverged from other possibilities. And those other possibilities include versions of you who are living out in a myriad of different ways. So I'd like you to imagine all of those yous, all of those incarnations and aspects of you that consist of your lower selves, those who have not yet benefited from the intel you have, who have not yet risen up to where you are right now, yourself, where you are now, your higher selves, those of you who have experienced and are applying higher truths, and your highest self, the culmination of everything, all of the lessons you have incarnated to learn over all lifetimes. Envision this multiverse filled with all of these yous. It's incredible. All of these beings are at various ages and in various stages of development, experience, and frequency, in the past, in the future, and right now. Now let's connect to all of these higher, lower, and equivalent selves, and as we bring them into our awareness, let's say these words together, out loud or in your head. Align, 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 align. See these lifetimes and these existences organized in your mind's eye in whatever shape that takes. What does it look like in your mind's eye? Are they organized in rows or in a spiral or what? Are they looking at you, or are there little windows that are peering in on them as they go about their day performing activities? Now again, out loud or in your head, say, clear, 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 clear. Remove all negativity from their energy field, everywhere, wherever it's needed and wanted. Because there is free will, we will not force this healing on any of them. It's only for those of you, those yous, who need it and want it. Now say balance, 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 bringing balance back into their chakras wherever they are off balance. You can imagine all of their chakras, some of which barely have an output and others that are amped up too high, are being brought back into healthy balance, whatever healthy balance means for each individual you. And again, wherever it's needed and wanted. Next, we say, flow, 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 removing all energetic obstacles or blockages that are creating resistance and stagnation. Our goal here is to enhance connection to spirit wherever it's needed and wanted. Now tap into your highest self, wherever you see it, recognize it, in your mind's eye. Perhaps it's larger than the other images, or brighter, or maybe it likes to hide among the various yous and you cannot readily find your highest self. No matter. Just feel what it's like to be this eternal, conscious intelligence that is completely connected to Source and to all possibility. What does it feel like to inhabit this being? Does it feel tingly? Does it feel expansive? Does it feel empowering? Does it feel powerful, or does it feel gentle? Or maybe it feels like both. However it feels, from that feeling of connecting to your highest self, feel a very loving and healing energy beginning to stir within you, a brightly glowing, growing ball of light made from this soul material in whatever color that resonates. Maybe it's changing colors, maybe it's staying the same color, but it's building in your chest and starting to seep into all areas of your being. It is filling you up. You are becoming a beacon, an antenna, a transmitter that is now, along with the loving and healing energy you are building inside you, preparing to transmit the following message. And again, you can say this next part aloud with me, or just imagine in your mind's eye that you're transmitting the following communication to all of yourselves, past, present, and future, in your current timeline and in all multiverse timelines. To all of the me's that exist on all planes of existence, including this one, past, present, and future, wherever you may be, in whatever circumstance you find yourself, I send you my great love and blessings for profound healing. To each and every one of me that exists anywhere and anywhen, may the love and healing I send you now bless you in all of the ways you need it and want it. May it work its magic to lift you up from any hardship, support you, and help light your path towards greater love and healing. May it also assist you in remembering your purpose and bring ease to any suffering you may be experiencing, great or small. I love you and intend for you to feel my love and blessings for healing now. With faster than light and thought, its infinite tendrils reach out in all directions. Now let's take a few moments to focus on this transmission. Really feel it. Really imagine yourself as this beacon transmitting this profoundly powerful energy across all timelines and universes, reaching every single version of yourself anywhere and everywhere, anywhen and everywhen, penetrating everything to reach the possibly infinite numbers of yous out there. Perhaps you can even envision this energy you are sending reaching its intended destinations. These alternate aspects of you receiving this incredible blessing infused with great love and healing. Feel it, see it, know it. Now, you may experience something interesting soon, if not right now in this moment. For me, it happened a few hours later. And that's these countless incarnations and timelines of you doing the same exact thing, the same exact infinite timeline therapy, sending you and your fellow yous the same support, great love, and profound healing. You now being in receipt of the infinite love and healing blessings you are receiving from your infinite selves wherever you need it and want it. Aligned, clear, balanced, and in flow. And so it is. Thank you. Take a few seconds to reground and open your eyes.